Are you passionate about art and pottery? Dream of turning your creative talent into a business? Starting a pottery studio in Malaysia could be the perfect venture for you. Pottery has a long-standing tradition in Malaysia, with unique cultural roots and growing demand for handcrafted art. Whether it's producing functional wares or beautiful art pieces, there's room for creativity and business potential. To start, the first step is to research the market. Understand the demand for pottery in your area. Will you focus on functional pieces like mugs and vases, or more decorative works? Consider offering workshops too. Many Malaysians are looking for hands-on experiences, so your studio could double as a space for pottery classes. Next, get the right equipment. A pottery wheel, a kiln, and quality clay are essential. Don't forget about licensing and permits. In Malaysia, you'll need to register your business and apply for necessary permits before you open your doors. Starting your own pottery studio in Malaysia is more than just about creating beautiful pieces. It's about building a community of art lovers. Visit 3E Accounting Malaysia today, and we will help you build your pottery studio in Malaysia and make it a thriving business.